Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen and today I am making a juicy orange soap using this SATSUMA orange. I hope I'm saying that right, SATSUMA, from Nurture Soap. This smells, oh my word, I think this is my favorite citrus scent that I've smelled to date. It's so juicy and orangey, and it's not just orange, it's like a complex sort of citrusy thing. So for the colors, I'm going to be using Orange Vibrance for part of the swirl, and also it made me think of blood orange and grapefruit. It's got that citrus overtone. So I'm going to use my Red Obsession for just a little bit of a wispy swirl in there, just to kind of heighten the orange so it really pops. I've got my little citrus slice embeds that I'm going to do some melt and pour oranges to go down on top. So I'm going to pull everything together. I think for my liquid portion, I'll just be using some aloe vera juice to kind of go with, I don't know, it just sounds yummy and tropical. So I'm going to do aloe vera for the liquid portion with this citrusy orange soap today. I'm so excited. This makes my mouth water. It smells divine. So get my hair pulled back, get everything pulled together, and let's come back and make some orange soap. Also, if you enjoy watching my videos, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe and the notification bell. And I'm on Instagram and Facebook if you want more up-to-date soaping inspiration. All right, we're back, and here my oils are all prepped and ready. And to my oils, I have added organic colloidal oats, kale and clay, and some coconut milk powder. So that's what's in here. And over here, I've got my wonderful aloe vera juice lye solution with tussa silk fibers and sodium lactate, and we're going to add these together. Okay, and I'm going to be hand stirring until I get emulsification, and we will split and stick blend as needed. So what I've got for an idea here and design is I got this handy little frosting comb, and I put some tape over this hole. So on the first layer, I'm going to pour down a layer of orange, and we'll do frosting comb, and then I'm going to pour down a layer of my pinky red kind of grapefruity color, and we'll do the little one and do a swirl on top. That's sort of what is in my mind. We'll see if the soap behaves and we can make it all happen. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour off a little for my orange layer on the bottom. After we get this all nice and incorporated and emulsified here. Let me tell you, this fragrance, oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I like citrus fragrances anyway, but this, honestly, I think this is one of my favorite citrus fragrances to date. And if it behaves well in this soap, it's going to win my gold star for sure. So I'll show you the bottle again, just so you keep it in mind. SATSUMA Orange. And I think this is a dupe of Lush or something, but oh man, it smells good. All right, I think we've got some good emulsion here. Let me just stop stirring, make sure no oil rises to the top, and it's looking good. So, split off for our first layer of orange, and I'll be stick blending to get a nice medium trace on that so it can firm up. There we go. That off to the side, and here is my beautiful Orange Vibrance, and this is just in some olive oil that I've got, so I'll use probably about half of this in here. There we go. Save the rest for my top swirl. Get my stick blender in, and let's get this blended up. Oh, that's a pretty orange. right, well, that bottom layer firms up. We'll go ahead and pour off for our color swirls in my next layer here.